Hey guys, how's it going? This is Jesse with Dream.com. In this tutorial, we're going to list some MP3s in a folder and then use Yahoo Media Player to make it playable. This will save you a lot of time because, as you can imagine, if you were listing out MP3 files manually like this, you'd have to name each one over and over. So we just want to create a directory. I called mine MP3s, and in there I just have a couple MP3s. What we want to do is cycle through the MP3s directory, so I'll just call it dir equals MP3s, and we'll uh, make a handle to open the directory. Open dir. Dir stands for directory, and then we'll do a while loop to read the directory. So while and read dir handle, and we want to actually give this a file, assign this a file equals read dir handle. And so while it's reading it, let's build up an array, and let's just say mp3s equals file. This should have brackets. And let's say mp3s equals array. Then we want to close the directory, close dir handle, or yeah, handle. And if we refresh this, we won't see anything, I don't think. Let's do a print r of mp3s, see what comes up. And here it is, it's working. Let me echo a pre to format the output. Okay, so in this folder we have a dot, and then the mp3s. We don't want these dots. I believe the dot goes a directory up, kind of like a back arrow. I can't remember what the dot does. To get rid of those, we can just um, do an if statement in here, I suppose. Um, so if file is not equal to dot, then make the array. Okay, we got rid of that one. And file is not equal to dot. Okay, and there we have a nice little array of our files. Now there's a way to read ID3 tags. I'm not going to do that today because I just want to get some basics in here. Okay, so what we want to do now is a for each loop of the arrays, and then we want to kind of format them in HTML. So just put some HTML down here. Slash body HTML. For this, I'm going to use a header in HTML because we're going to do some script. And for the body, let's just include those PHP tags again. And we're going to say for each mp3s as key value, and we are going to echo the value, I believe is what we want. Let's just make sure. Okay, we got those listing. That's good. And we're going to plug in the Yahoo Media Player. Whoops. And we're going to plug in the Yahoo Media Player, and that's just found at developers.yahoo.com/media player. And this makes it really easy to have a media player on your page. They give you the script right here. It's actually a pretty nice player too. So up here, let's just pop that in and refresh. these need to be links to the MP3 files. So go back here and let's do echo um, ahref equals, actually I got to switch these quotes around. Okay, ahref equals dir, which is MP3s. Remember, dir is defined right here, and slash value there, and here we should end the anchor and refresh. Looks like one of them's working, and you'll see down here we got this. That's pretty cool. There might be a problem with the spacing. It looks like some of it's getting chopped off inside of the loop. So let's see. Let me echo. Well, echo value. Let me view the source real quick. Okay, you see the problem? Uh, we have these dashes here, and that's causing a conflict. So we can do string slashes. So for something like this, you would probably use add slashes because you see this character here. That's in conflict with this character here. There is a function called add slashes, but I'm going to do it this way. Since we have single quotes, I'm going to do backslash quotation, backslash quotation, and that makes it so that we can print those there. And there we have it. Let me show you the source once again. As we did the backslash, it made this a literal quote, and we can play the songs. Look how nice of an MP3 player this is by Yahoo. Gives you a playlist, switches songs. Isn't that pretty easy? See, now you're getting things done, saving a lot of time. That was a kind of fun tutorial, very easy to do. I hope you have fun with it, and be cool.